What's up, y'all? It's Dee J coming to you back with another video. All right, what's up, y'all? Hey, I know I haven't made a video in a while. I've been kind of taking a break from social media, to be honest. Facebook, YouTube, all of that, I've been kind of relaxing. But I have some time on my hands, so I want to show you guys what I've been up to. Just got involved with this brand new postcard opportunity, as you see on your screen. It's called Mailbox Benjamins. Mailbox Benjamins. It's all about the Benjamins. $100 direct sales, overrides. So I just want to kind of break it down to you, illustrate to you what you can expect if you decide to get involved. All right, so follow me in this video real quick, real fast. You want to bookmark, before I start, mailboxbenjamins.com. Bookmark that website for reference. Now, on the website, there's going to be a short video. Very short video. It's not going to take up a lot of your time. Watch it. Soak up the value. Soak up what's going on. It's all about learning. All right? Watch that video. After you watch that video, everything that I'm showing you is what you're going to see. No experience needed. Anybody can do this. It doesn't matter if you're male or female. Over the age of 18, you can do this program and make money. All right? Mailbox Benjamins is a simple, that's the key word. It's not hard, it's simple. 2-level high commission postcard program. It pays you $100 per direct sale and $100 sponsor overrides. What that means is every time someone signs up with you, those are your personals, you're gonna get $100 each and every time. If it's one person, 5, 10, 15, 20, 100, 1,000, you're going to get 100 every single time. Now, when those people, those same people that joined you, sign someone up to Mailbox Benjamins, you're going to earn 100 each and every time. It does not stop. No limits to this. This is what's called leverage. This is how money is made in your sleep, guys. You see what's going on in the world? Turn your TV on. Go on YouTube. Type in these gas prices and rent prices and food prices. Everything is going up. And you know I'm not lying. I'm looking at you guys in the camera. And I'm pretty sure that you can use these Benjamins because that's what's going to matter. So this opportunity is like a godsend because it's going to help you to stay afloat. All right? Now, 2 pay positions. It's going to help you get to the money faster. Front side of the postcard, as you can see. Back side of the postcard, as you can see. Income potential. When you join Mailbox Benjamins, like I was telling you just now, this is just a quick example. If Chris signs up with you, right? You're going to get $100 from Chris joining. But when Chris goes out there and he starts advertising the opportunity, sharing it, Murray joins with him, you're going to get $100. That's leverage, guys. That's how leverage works. Okay? You can't do everything. You got to remember that. You can't do everything. You need help. And the way that this is structured in a way to help you. All right? This doesn't stop. Like I was telling you in the example, this doesn't stop. Whether it's 1, 5, 20, 50, 100, 1,000. It doesn't stop. Unlimited income potential. Look at that. Level 1 sales. 10 sales times 100. Simple math. Do the math. Pull out your calculator. Play around with this. Because it's going to get you excited, like how I'm excited. $1,000 from 10 sales. Level 2. Each one of those 10 get 10. That's 100 sales times $100, 10 grand plus your level 1. So that's $1,000, $11,000. What could you do with $11,000 right now? Write it down because this type of money is what you need to stay afloat. It's serious. This is why these opportunities are created, guys. This is why, you know. Let's scroll down a little bit more. What you get when you join? You're going to get a marketing kit. This marketing kit is step-by-step instructions, resource guide, 200 postcards and 200 leads right off the bat. That's awesome. You're going to get your own personal ID number. This is how you get paid. You can't just join this program without a referral ID number. So it's structured in a way to benefit you, not cheat you. And as you can see right here on my desk, I just got my marketing kit a few days ago. And I want to show you guys what you can expect. So this is what came. It's going to have your name on it too, just like this. And it's going to have your resource guide. It's going to have your starter guide. It's going to have this Mailbox Benjamin sales letter, right? That's going to break down the opportunity to your prospects. Now, you don't have to just stick with mailing the postcards. You can do sales letters too with the postcards. Your leads, because you got to be sending this to serious people, not curious people. That's what it's about too. You're going to have your postcard order form. So if you need to order more postcards, you can order them. Here's another sales letter that you get. That's going to break down the program. This is like your salesperson. So you don't have to do all of this convincing the people. Let this material do the work for you. Shout out to Martin Buckley. He is the admin of the program. You can contact him anytime. So you are partnering with serious people that want to help you. Endless leads, how you can get endless leads. You know, just good information that can help you. This is the value that you're paying for. I'm going to put this over here. And those are the 200 postcards that you get. And I'm going to show you how it looks. Because I had got some the other day. This is what came with the kit. And I put a few leads on there, put my ID number on there. And then you just mail them out. Let the system do the work. So that's just a quick little breakdown of the marketing kit. These opportunities are here to help you. So I'll just scroll down a little bit more. 100% legit and legal program with any, and I have to put some emphasis on this, because this is where most people get hung up on these opportunities when they're in a decision-making mode, whether or not they're gonna get started. With any legit and legal program, commissions must always be paid on the sale of physical product or goods. That's very important. So because Mailbox Benjamins provides a marketing kit, resource guide, postcards, and leads, this makes the program legit and 100% legal, as opposed to other programs that provide no value, no product, and are just illegal gifting programs and pyramid schemes. That's the difference. That's the difference. Because I hear it all the time. You know, people are making these comparisons. You are getting value. This marketing kit that you receive, like I just showed you, you're getting value. This is what you're paying for. This is what makes it real. All right? And you have resale rights. So now you can resell the opportunity to other people. And you earn the commissions on the back end. That's all it is. It's simple to understand. Just like in the beginning of the video when I was talking about, you know, the program and how it all works. It's simple. Finally, a cheat-proof program. Are you sick and tired of getting cheated out of your hard-earned commissions? No need to worry about that. I've done business with Martin in the past. I can tell you from experience, Martin's a good guy. He has integrity, worthy of, you know, your trust. You know, he's not going to cheat you out of your money. You're going to get your money every week. This pays every week. And he monitors the program. All the payments that are coming in, monitors everything. So I just want to put that out there as well, because that's very important too. Special bonus though. This is cool. Every time someone signs up with you, your personals, you're going to get 25 stamps, 25 postcards, and 25 leads on every personal. So that can be staggering. You can do the math, right? So what's that, 10? So that's 250. You do the math. So you're getting 250 stamps, 250 postcards, and 250 leads every 10 people that sign up with you in this program, plus you're getting $100 payments. That's awesome. That's some good incentive right there. Let's see. And this is how it all looks too. So that's the bonus that's gonna come. And earn $100 override commissions, like I was telling you. That's the leverage. Now, it's a one-time payment of $300 to join. Now, $300 is very, very conservative, because a lot of these programs out here, you might see they're cheap. They're either cheap or they're just way too expensive. So $300 is a good, right in the middle price, and you'll be able to earn some pretty good commissions. Now, you could just go and join a cheap program, but it's going to take you forever to get to the money. You got to remember, it takes the same time, energy, and effort promoting something cheap as it does promoting something like this, where you're getting more money, because that's what you're trying to get to. Trying to get to the money faster, not slower. So just keep that in mind when you're making your decision. But again, $300 to join. And as we get to the bottom of the page, well, before we get to the bottom of the page, this is what I like too. You have this top sales earner trophy award. So Martin is going to recognize the person that has the most sales, and you're going to get this trophy. So there's some more bragging rights. That's dope, to be honest. That's really cool. And you get paid every week. All you got to do is mail the postcards out. There's other ways that you can get signups to. You know, you can get a custom capture page. We all know this, right? You can get traffic. You can do classified ads. There's a lot of valuable resources in the marketing kit that you can plug into. But it's as simple as mailing the postcards out. And as you see on your screen, $300 to join. Now, you can join through Cashapp, money order, cash payment. You can mail it in. But the fastest way to get started is Cashapp. Cashapp is the fastest. And as you can see, this is the Cashapp. So you can pause the video. You're just going to send 300 to Mailbox Benjamins. And then after you send the 300 into Mailbox Benjamins, you just email Martin. This is the email. Just zoom in a little bit more. And you send him your full name, mailing address, the ID number. That's very important. You cannot join this program without one. My ID number is 112. Okay? So if you want to join with me, use my ID number 112. If this video is shared by someone and you would like to join with them, use their ID number. Don't use mine, because I'm all about sharing. I'm not a selfish person. So if someone shares my video with you, make sure you use their ID number and you sign up with them. All right? Because this could be someone that joins with me that wants to share my video. They might be camera shy and they want to use my video to share with their people. Then use their ID number to join. Don't use mine. All right? And you just send your payment in. And then after you send your payment in, just email Martin all of that information right there. If you want to join by mail, there's a form at the very bottom. And you just click on this form right here, and it's going to take you to a page. And it's basically the back side of the postcard. So this is what the postcard looks like. And this is the back side. So when you click on that button, the back side is going to look like that. And then you just print it out. You would have to write my ID number in, though, and then fill out your information, get that $300 money order payable to Marketing Advantage, and then you mail that in, priority mail, so it gets there fast and safe. And that's how that works. But like I'm telling you, the fastest way is Cashapp, though. Most people have Cashapp. So if I were you, if I were going to join this, I would use Cashapp. That's the fastest way. And that's basically it. So if you got any questions, You can reach out to Martin. That's his info right there. You can pause the video and, you know, get your payment sent in so you can get started. We got a Facebook group in place. It's growing. People are joining it. And you don't want to miss out. Like I told you, we're going through a tough time economically in this country. So these $100 payments can really help you. If you got any questions for me, feel free to hit me up. I'll put my contact info in the description box of this video. You can email me and, you know, I'll give you a call if you're serious. Because I only deal with serious people, not curious people. You got to be about your money, guys. That's because that's what's on the line right now. You can't be, you know, emailing me and then I call you and you're playing around. Because when it comes time to pay these bills, you can't be playing around. And that's the reality. So thanks for tuning in, watching this video. I'm going to wrap it up. For Mailbox Benjamins, make sure you bookmark the website, mailboxbenjamins.com. And just review everything. And if it looks like something that you want to participate in, hit me up and let's get you started. And you'll be on your way to making these payments too. All right? So this is Dee J signing off for Mailbox Benjamins. And I'm going to see you on the next video. Peace out for now.